Wrap the yarn around your index and middle fingers in an X. Make a slip knot on your hook. Yarn over and pull through loop on the hook. We complete first chain stitch, 2 chain stitch, 3 chain stitch, 4, 5, 6. Insert the stitch marker in first stitch. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now, turn and start in the second chain from your hook. Crochet a single crochet in the second stitch. Crochet a half double crochet in the third stitch. Crochet a double crochet in the fourth stitch. Crochet a double crochet in the fifth stitch. Crochet a double crochet in the sixth stitch. Crochet a half double crochet in the seventh stitch. Crochet a single crochet in the 8th stitch. Hook weave a slip stitches in the 9th stitch. Crochet a single crochet in the 10th stitch. Crochet a half double crochet in the 11th stitch. Crochet a double crochet in the 12th stitch. Crochet a double crochet in the 13th stitch. Crochet a double crochet in the 14th stitch. Crochet a half double crochet in the 15th stitch. Crochet a single crochet in the 16th stitch. Then follow the same method. We do it once again. And thread and pulling out. 3 chain stitch, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Turn and start in the 4th chain from your hook. Crochet a treble crochet in the 4th stitch. Yarn over twice. Insert the hook through the 4th stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through front 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through front 2 loops again. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Crochet a double crochet in the 5th stitch. Crochet a double crochet in the 6th stitch. Crochet half double crochet in the 7th stitch. Crochet a single crochet in the 8th stitch. Hook weave a slip stitches in the 9th stitch. Hook weave a slip stitches in the 10th stitch. Crochet a single crochet in the 11th stitch. Crochet a single crochet in the 12th stitch. Crochet a single crochet in the 13th stitch. Crochet a single crochet in the 14th stitch. Cut line and thread and pulling out.